In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist in Zendesk. We'll walk through each step and ensure you understand how to configure your settings for optimal results. Whitelisting certain email addresses or domains in Zendesk helps streamline communication and maintain order in your support center by allowing only approved contacts to reach you. Whether you want to prioritize certain clients or prevent spam, this is an essential skill to master. Let's dive right in. Start by accessing your Zendesk dashboard and navigate to the Admin Center. From there, you'll want to go to the section labeled People, and then move on to Configuration. Here, you'll choose End Users, though in some versions of Zendesk, you might see this as Settings and then Customers. Both paths will ultimately lead you to the same place where you can manage your users. Once you've arrived at the End Users or Customers page, look for the field labeled Allow List. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can specify the domains or individual email addresses that you want to allow. If you know particular domains you want to ensure receive access, type those domains directly into this field. For example, if you wish to permit all emails from Gmail, simply enter gmail.com. Remember, no need for the @ symbol. If you're aiming to approve specific emails, list those addresses in full. Now, let's talk about control on a broader scale. If your goal is to permit certain emails while blocking others, you'll want to make use of the block list field. This powerful tool can help prevent all emails from reaching your support except the ones you've specifically allowed. By inputting an asterisk or star symbol, you can choose to block all incoming emails that aren't expressly whitelisted. This asterisk acts as a wildcard, indicating everything else is barred entry unless granted permission in your allow list. Once you've entered all the domains or email addresses you wish to authorize in the allow list and have set your preferences in the block list, it's time to finalize your adjustments. You'll want to double-check your entries to ensure accuracy. They say measure twice, cut once, and then click on Save. This final action applies all the changes you've made, effectively enacting your new whitelist policy. And there you have it. You've just learned how to whitelist emails and domains in Zendesk. Following these simple steps can greatly enhance your Zendesk experience, ensuring you manage who gets access to your support and keeping unwanted distractions at bay. Be sure to revisit these settings as needed, particularly if your criteria change over time or if you need to adjust to new communication demands. Thanks for watching, and happy configuring.